Tell me about the life process. What is the life process? Tell me.
Life process is a process in which organisms take their food and make energy for his life. If we talk about life process, there are four processes that we are normally eating, that are nutrition, second respiration, that break down our food, third transportation, that helps in the transport of blood and many ATPs or energy, and fourth is excretion, that we take out our waste from our blood. So firstly we talk about nutrition. That nutrition is a process in which organism take food from outside in the body and break from some enzymes that are called as biocatalysts. Some processes in which the food is broken out. That first process is food is taken by buccal cavity, that in our teats and tongue, that helps in mixing of saliva, and saliva amylase takes the food wetted and push down in esophagus, and in esophagus the food is rhythmically got downwards in the stomach, and in stomach there are three type of enzymes and acid called hydrochloric acid. In hydrochloric acid we the food is very wetted, and basically that hydrochloric acid makes the food acidic, and the pepsin enzyme makes the food clear the proteins, and when the food is digested, so it pushed from the downward opening that called as small intestine. In small intestine there are very type of villi make the food digested and absorbed. Therefore the food is absorbed, so the food has got to assimilate, and when the food is assimilate to where the body is cutted and where the dead cells are making, so the assimilate blood is go there and repair the body and the cells, and then body makes some byproducts that are called nitrogenous waste and some other wastes. So our anal opening, the waste is got down, that is nutrition. And second process is respiration. When organism break down their food by many processes, like presence of air, lack of air, and absence of air. In absence of air there are firstly the 6 carbon molecule break down in 3 carbon molecule, that is pyruvate. In the process of pyruvate there are three types of processes: lack of oxygen, absence of oxygen, and presence of oxygen. So in absence of oxygen there are making of ethanol and some and carbon dioxide and some energy, and there are 3 carbon molecules that breaks in 2 carbon molecules, and 1 carbon molecule is go in carbon dioxide. This process is done in cytoplasm in yeast, and in our lack of oxygen, when we run or any workout is done by the body, so our muscle is very weak. So the lactic acid, which is made up of 3 carbon molecules, this is made up of 3 pyruvate that break single carbon molecule. So lactic acid plus energy, this is made up of 3 carbon dioxide molecules. And in presence of air, like we are humans respirate the oxygen and make some 3 carbon molecules 3 carbon molecules to carbon dioxide plus water plus energy in presence of air. this is called aerobic respiration, and in absence of air, this is called anaerobic respiration. And the third process is transportation. When we mix our energy in stomach and lungs in oxygen in lungs, so we say that there are specific organs to set the oxygen and some energy. So transportation helps into transport each of the cell requirements for this energy or oxygen. So by the help of transportation, the food and the energy or ATPs or some other things proteins, fats, lipids, or some oxygen molecules transport in each cell of the body. And it transports some wastes on each cell. So when the cellular respiration is done, so the cell makes some byproducts like nitrogenous waste and some other waste like CO2 and other. So when the excretion process is done, so the waste of the body is thrown out by the anal opening from the body, and these processes are known as life process, that every human or every organism have done this. And some lower organisms like amoeba and some other, so in NCERT book there is only amoeba, so I tell amoeba also. Amoeba ingests the food molecule and food molecules or prey. So the ingestion takes place when amoeba makes a food vacuole. So food is digested in food vacuole and the food is completely digest. And when it digests, so it makes ATP or energy or some other waste. So the digest food makes convert in absorption, and absorption makes assimilation, and assimilation makes some other food vacuoles, and the food vacuole is waste used, so it is waste for amoeba, and amoeba ingest the food vacuole from his body. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, beta. Clap, beta.